Well, folks, she is just about finished. I have the roof drip molding yet to repair and wrap, and then got to finish wrapping the interior with the same vinyl here. So I'm going to wrap all of that. I'm going to have one window retinted, going to have a strip on the windshield. But all in all, for what it was, she turned out nice. Still some minor adjustments to do on the hood, but you can't even tell. I'm super stoked to have her back, and especially in her original form. So yeah, there you go. It's coming to a head. It's not done yet, but it's coming to a head, guys.